Hi, my dear kids. How are you all? How do you feel? This is another video lesson, and the topic of this lesson is the difference between whereas and to. Where we can use whereas and where we can use to. So, first we can see whereas, the use and the examples of whereas. See, whereas is a conjunction used to show the difference between two things or facts. So, we have already completed the topic conjunctions. What is a conjunction? Conjunctions are words that used to join two parts of a sentences or two sentences together. Which are the commonly used conjunctions in English? And, but, or, still, because. These are the commonly used conjunctions. So whereas is one of the conjunctions, and where we can use whereas to show the difference between two things or facts. It shows the difference or contrast between two things or two facts. Let's move on to the example. See the first example. A square has four sides. You know what is a square? It has four sides, whereas a triangle has three sides. See, these are the two sentences, and we used the conjunction whereas to join these two sentences. How we join the sentence? A square has four sides, whereas a triangle has three sides. See, this conjunction shows the difference between these two things, these two facts. These are facts. A square has four sides and a triangle has three sides. These are facts. So, whereas is used to show the difference between two facts. Here are more examples. I like bananas, whereas my sister likes apples. It shows the difference between what you like and what your sister like. Another one, whereas I am a vegetarian, my whole family eats meat. It shows the difference between the family and the speaker. The speaker is a vegetarian, but the whole family, they are non-vegetarians. So it shows the difference, and we can use whereas at the middle of the sentences, and we can use at the beginning of a sentence also. See the next example. All of my sisters are doctors, whereas I am a teacher. It shows the difference between these two sentences. So whereas is a conjunction used to show the difference or contrast between two things or facts. Now another topic is to, where we can use to. See, three to's you can use. One is TO2, that is a preposition, and this to, TOO2, that we are going to see. Now another two also you know, TWO, that is number two. Here check the spelling, it is TOO, TOO. Don't confuse with other twos. See, to is an adverb which means excessively. Excessively means a lot or also. So, the meaning of to is either excessively or also. See the examples. It is not too late to change your mind. That is, the time is not over that you can change your mind. It is not too late. It is not excessively late. It is not a lot late. Then, if you are going to the park, can I come to? See here, meaning of this to is also. Here in the first sentence, the meaning of this to is excessively, and in the second sentence, the meaning of to is also. See the sentence. If you are going to the park or mall, or if you are going to the school, can I come to? Can I come also? It is a question. Another examples. The cake was too yummy. The cake was too yummy means which word it is? Excessively. The cake was very yummy, excessively yummy. Then she too felt nervous about leaving the kitten. She too felt nervous. That means she also felt nervous about leaving the kittens. Now, I feel sick because I ate too much popcorn. Here the meaning of too is excessively. I ate a lot of popcorn. A much, plenty of. That is the meaning of this too here. I feel sick because I ate excessively or plenty of or much popcorn, so I feel sick. See the next sentence. I want some cake too. Here the meaning of too is also. I want some cake also. So these are the difference between whereas and to. Whereas is a conjunction used to join two parts of a sentence or two sentences together, and to is an adverb. This is all about today's lesson. Thank you.